Hey guys, I want to show you another really interesting car in our current online auction. This is a 2001 Chevy Corvette, but it's far from your average run-of-the-mill C5. This is a prototype car by HSV. So there was a program back in 2003 where HSV were going to bring Corvettes in the country and sell them new like they do with the C8 now. They bought in 2 cars from GM in the US. They were sent straight here. They were converted by HSV. They went through some testing. Mark Scapegoat drove this car in testing and all the engineering process to sell the cars. And the program then ended up being scrapped. Prototype cars are normally scrapped, but instead people from around the country had already put deposits on cars, so they gave them the opportunity to bid for the car in a silent auction. This car was won by an individual here on the Gold Coast, a collector. He put the car straight into a Carcoon. It's sat in a shed here for 20 years, not been driven. It's absolutely immaculate. It presents like a new car. It's got some unique options with the side indicators, some lights on the rear specific for Australian standards, optional magnesium wheels, incredible car. Runs an LS1 V8, 6-speed manual. It's a convertible model, cool colour combo. And being a prototype HSV car, you're not going to get another one like it. Make sure you head to the website and check out all the info on it, guys. www.782motors.com.au.